Who can tell me what's wrong with this door handle? Yeah, the fact it's nearly snapped off. I simply come down, right, and once I opened it, it was normal, and it nearly, look, it's nearly slid out, look. I want to try and fix it now. I managed to push it back in, but that does not solve the problem, because you come to open it and it's done it again. Not too bad now. I'll put up with it for now. Oh, and another thing. You know this squeaking? Well, that's not necessarily the driest. Because... hang on, it was squeaking earlier. Every time you move it, it squeaks, but no it's not. Odd. Now it's not squeaking.